Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Mike. Testing. Mike. Are you ready, Mike? Hey, Mike. How you doing, Mike? It's been a while, Mike. It's been a couple of days, Mike. Jeez, I ain't uploaded in a minute. As you guys know, if you're following my vlog channel, which you should be, because I'm uploading vlogs every single day, and you get to see what I'm doing in my life and how things are going and blah 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 blah. Yeah. So today's video is sponsored by MUSA. If you want to check out my other channels, which are linked in the description or in my homepage, I have an art channel, I have a vlogging channel, and I have a kids art tutorial type of channel. Even have a podcast with my brother, but we ain't done nothing in a while. And obviously we got this channel. So yeah, I would appreciate if you guys could support all my other channels, especially the vlogging one. Like I said, I'm vlogging every single day, doing daily uploads. I'm enjoying it. It's like a visual diary for me. So in a couple of years, maybe when I have kids and whatnot, I can be like, yo, this is what your dad was doing back then. This was his life type of situation. But yeah, today we got Stray Kids. A lot of people have been on to me about this one, but I was away. I'm looking forward to, because the way the people have been hyping this one up. Domino, I already said that one. That's what I gotta say in it. It was a 1 minute video, 1 minute clip that turned into 11 minutes reaction. I don't know how that happened, but it happened. This was 24 seconds, man. 20, what they're about to do to me in 24 seconds that people have been on to me constantly. Musa, check it out. Musa, where are you? Musa. I'm nervous. But we're going to do it. Let's get it. Today I got these headphones. Why? Because it's Stray Kids, and I had to make sure that I'm not plugged in. Because if I'm plugged in, I'm about to, you know what I mean? Or I just chuck the head. Let's go. Let's check the speakers first. Gotta make sure everything's right, bruv. Correct. Damn. Lilo. It's not tears. Allergies. Yeah. Allergies. What the fuck was that, bruv? Pardon my French, but it had to be said. What the fuck? Is that it? That's where you're stopping? Nah, you're what I feel. Yeah, you see this man here. You see this man here. And Lino came in hard. He came on some God's menu. Do. But it's like they just continue. What Stray Kids trying to do to us with this album? I think Stray Kids are as tired as us stays. I'm not going to genuinely believe Stray Kids are as tired as us stays. They're tired. They're tired of not getting all these wins that they deserve. They're tired. They're tired of people talking nonsense. All this Stray Kids is just noisy and yada. Bruv, recognize the talent, fam. I need a moment. Allergies, whooping my. I had to mute you quick because I don't want you guys hearing that noise. No. But yo, hey, let's take it slow. What can you take? How can you even take it slow? It's 24 seconds. There's nothing to take slow. Everything just comes at you. And it's finished. That was, oh, ooh, Jesus, hey. Oh my times. Bruv, what is that, bruv? What in the avatar is going on here, bruv? I'm looking like the Avatar, bruv. Whoa, hold on. Jin, what are you wearing, bruv? What's he wearing? What is that? Is that a hat? What's this temple as well, bruv? I ain't never seen this chair before. What kind of chair is that? Felix's hair, though, bruv. The whole Mohican, Mohican, whatever you want to call it. Straight white. Phew, on some Sonic looking tapper. If he dyed that blue, oh my, are you stupid? Am I stupid? Nah, I'm moving, man. That hat that Felix got. Who are these guys in the background? This is on some cha thing, bruv. On some August D type of shit. My God. Felix, you see, yeah? I'm not saying nothing. I'm sorry, I'm dirty. Excuse me? He said, I'm not sorry. He didn't even say, I'm sorry. I thought Felix was being nice, saying, I'm sorry. My man said, I'm not. He said, man, I'm not sorry. I'm dirty. I Felix Wiley. Transitions are always mad with Stray Kids. What? They called down Thor, his ancestors, and all sorts, bruv. What happened? Oh, that transition was disgusting, bruv. That was disgusting. Bruv. Tomorrow, bruv. Tomorrow it is. It's tomorrow, bruv. 6 p.m. Tomorrow, bruv. It's tomorrow, bruv. Oh, I can't wait, bruv. I can't wait, bruv. I can't wait, bruv. Oh, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, bruv. I can't wait, bruv. Hey, I'm so gassed. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Love life. Oh, yeah, go get that merch. Ending in a week. We only got a week left. You're getting 20% off all merchandise. So go cop yourself that merch. Like I said, ending at this end of the month. 31st, last day. So go cop that merch. I know you like it. I like it. It's very comfortable. I buy a little bit oversized because I like to wear oversized hoodies and chill. And winter's coming. This is not some Game of Thrones shit. I'm being dead serious. Winter's coming. Go get them jumpers. The cheapest price on the internet. Cool. I'm out. Peace. Let's go!
Hello. How are you?
What? What are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.